Good evening everyone, myself Arshi and today I am here for my presentation and my topic is fundamentals of partnership. So first of all, the question that arises in our mind is what is the meaning of partnership? So according to Indian Partnership Act 1932 section 4, partnership is a relationship among the partners who have decided to divide profit and losses of the business in a particular ratio. Some essential points of partnership is there must be at least 2 partners and at most 50 partners. So it is very common that if there is more than one partner, they may have some disputes and arguments on some topic. So to avoid these disputes, all the partners sign an agreement which is known as partnership deed. As I told, partnership deed is the written document which is signed by all the partners of the firm. So what happens if there is no partnership deed? So if there is no partnership deed, some points that should be kept in mind is first of all, the profit should be shared equally. This implies profit sharing ratio will be 1:1. And the second thing is interest on loan should be provided at the rate 6% per annum. And the third thing is anything which is charged on profit should be given. Now let us have a look on my second topic, which is interest on drawing. So there is a table which shows the values of interest on which we can calculate the interest on drawing, and that table is, this is monthly, it's 12, this is quarterly, it's 4, and this is half yearly, which is 2. This is beginning, mid and end, and the values are 6.5, 6, 5.5, 7.5, 6, 4.5, 9, 6, 3. So on the behalf of this table we calculate the interest on drawing. Now the third topic is interest on capital. So interest on capital is always calculated on opening capital, and the formula for calculation of opening capital is opening capital equals to closing capital minus all types of profits and additional capital and plus all types of losses and drawings. So the amount that comes is our opening capital on which we have to pay the interest on capital. Now let us have a look on commission. So there are 2 types of calculation of commission. The very first one is after and the second one is before. So formula for calculating after commission is net profit into rate upon 100 plus rate, and the formula for calculation of before commission is net profit into rate by 100. So by using these formulas we calculate the amount of commission. Now my next topic is profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account is the next step after profit and loss account. It is made to divide proper amount of profit to each partner, and the format for PL account, PL appropriation account is, this is credit side, this is debit side. Here we go with profit and loss account. Interest on drawing of each partner A, B. Here we go with interest on capital of each partner, salary, commission, all types of reserve, and here we go with profit and loss appropriation of each partner, the amount of profit that is given to each partner. So this is the profit and loss appropriation account. Now the next topic is capital account of partner. There are two methods to maintain capital account. The very first one is fixed and the next one is fluctuating. The fixed one also contains two types. The first one is capital account and the next one is current account. And the format of capital account is column of each partner. Here we go with opening capital, additional capital. Here we go with drawings, which is charge on profit, and here we go with closing capital. And the format of current account is column of each partner, by balance BD, interest on capital, salary, commission, etc. etc. Here we go with interest on drawings, here is profit and loss appropriation if it is loss, and here we go with profit and loss appropriation if it is profit, and then to balance BD. Now have a look on fluctuating capital account. In fluctuating capital account, we only maintain one account in which all the entries of these two accounts are merged. This is fluctuating account. Now, my second last topic is past adjustment. So, past adjustment are the statements which are given to rectify errors and omissions which have been made in past. Like we have to give interest on capital at the rate 6%, but by mistakenly we give it at the rate 12%. So to rectify these types of errors, we make past adjustments. Now the last topic is guarantee. Guarantee is the minimum amount of share of profit which is given to a partner, so that whether the firm is facing a profit or a loss, the guaranteed amount of the profit will be given to the guaranteed partner. So that is all for my presentation. Thank you.